Yung sabi ng BIR doon is, it could be, the possible reasons is, puno na yung email nyo, nag-exceed na sa quota, or yung email nyo nasa spam or junk folder, so pwede nyo i-check doon. And there are cases din daw, yung firewall policy itself, nire-restrict yung emails coming from the EBIR, or it could be yung mga unknown emails. So, pwede nyo ding i-check yan with your IT. But in most cases kasi, sa ating mga small and micro taxpayers, Gmail, if not Gmail ha, mostly Gmail yung ginagamit. And I don't think na yung firewall policy ng Gmail is nag-restrict ng emails from EBIR. So, yung suggestion ko dyan, i-check nyo yung inyong spam or junk email folder. Baka nandun lang yung email confirmation. So, ito yung mga suggested ng BIR if ever hindi kayo naka-receive nung email confirmation. So, yung gagawin nga, yung na-mention natin kanina is may pop-up message kasi yan pag ginamit yung EBIR form na successfully na-submit nyo yung inyong ITR. So, i-screenshot daw yan ninyo so that yun na yun yung proof nyo kumbaga na nakapag-file kayo on the day. So, yung pop-up message itself, i-screenshot ninyo. And then, ipiprint nyo yung inyong ITR. So, again, pwede kayong magbayad sa mga authorized agent banks. So, yung gagawin nyo, 3 copies. So, yung screenshot ng pop-up message, ipiprint nyo, and yung ITR itself, and then pupunta kayo dun sa inyong authorized agent banks to pay yung inyong tax due. Or if wala naman daw AABs, pwede din kayo sa Revenue Collection Officer assigned sa inyong RDO. But in most cases, yung AABs kasi readily available sa ating area. So yung second nila is, pag wala talaga, pwede kayong mag-refile ng inyong EBIR sa EBIR form. But yung refiling dapat before the deadline. So after the April 15, kahit mag-refile pa kayo, late na yon. So I suggest wag na kayo mag-refile if ever after April 15. Hintayin nyo na lang yung inyong email confirmation. So next natin is, ito na yung ating last resort, kumbaga. Punta kayo sa inyong RDO and may e-lounge doon. May mga staff doon na pwede mag-assist sa inyo sa inyong pag-file na yung income tax return.